Hello, I'm Seerath, and today I'm here to discuss optimizing in the measurement matrix. So, as we know that measurement matrix is the framework that is going to help us to turn our data into insights. And we know the five pillars: planning, building, reporting, forecasting, and optimizing. So we have discussed planning, which is where we ask the questions, building, where we get the information, reporting, where we, display the answers, forecasting, where we make the plan for the future. And today we are going to focus on optimizing. So optimizing is basically looking back at the forecast, right? And deciding what actions are we going to take, like what is working, what is not working. And we want to figure out that what the data means, what activities can I take, and how can I improve my result. So as it is so important, everybody wants to jump to forecasting. But we should remember that we are on a journey, right? And we should go step by step. First planning, then building, then reporting, forecasting, and then we can go to optimizing. Like if we are at the cave level, then we can see that through optimizing, we go out, we enter the valley, and we then again go to the planning phase. And if we optimize at the valley level, then after that, we go to the planning for the hills, and same is for the summit. So basically, optimizing is the gateway through which we change. Like from cave, we enter the valley, from valley, we enter the hills. So, as it is so important, everybody wants to jump through it, but we should remember that if we are going to skip the pillars, then we will not be able to make sense, or we will not be able to basically understand, right? What are we optimizing? So let's go to the measurement metrics. So we have already discussed the planning phase, the where we ask the questions, right? The building phase, the reporting phase, the forecasting, and optimizing. So we can reach optimizing only when we have like gone through all of these stages, right? So if we are asking the right question here, right at the planning, and if we have the right information at the building, and we have the reports at the level that they are communicating what we need them to tell us, right? They are giving us the answers. And forecasting, like how can we make use of optimizing if we are not forecasting? Like we are not using some hypothesis, we are not observing the trends, then there can be no optimizing, right? So each and every stage is important. So we are gonna discuss about optimizing against five level: nothing, basic, customize, and transform. So in the start of the optimizing is where we become aware, where we simply understand that okay, there is a better way out there to do something, right? Maybe we discover that if we change the way how we speak to our user, our conversion will improve, or more people will buy our products, right? So we become aware that optimizing is a thing. Now, this might sound that it is way too easy, but how are we going to do something if we are not aware of it, right? So, first, we should understand that it is possible, right? Then, on the basic, we have the results. So we start to optimize the results, the number of sales, the average cart value. So we optimize the results to help us to reach our goal, to achieve what we want, right? So first we become aware, then we optimize the result. And then we reach this level at the customize, which basically says how. How are we going to get the result? So we start to, optimize system wise, as we are at a stage where the implementation can be a bit complex, right? Because we have passed nothing, basic, customize. We are at customize, right? So the questions can be a bit tricky. So we are expanding our implementation. We are starting to optimize more and more things, right? And the final is expand, where we basically give the concept of optimization to other platforms like Facebook ads. How is Facebook ad spend going to affect the Google Analytics, right? So this is what optimizing it is. We forecast and we optimize it. So we figure out that, okay, if something is wrong, we get the numbers, we figure out that whether something is wrong. And if it is wrong, then how can we improve it? So we discussed the measurement matrix. We have the levels here. Basically, this is our cave, valley, and the hills and the summit, right? And these are our 5 pillars: planning, building, reporting, forecasting, and optimizing. As we have discussed through the videos, that doing each and every step is important because it is a journey. We are on a journey. And if we go step by step, then optimizing will really be easy. But if we miss planning, or let's say we miss forecasting, then we will not be able to optimize. We will not be able to get the results that we are looking for. Right. So this was measurement matrix, which help us to convert our data into insights, which we can use for the betterment of our organization or for taking some decisions ahead. Right. Thank you.